Hi everybody, this is a hack for Pokemon Go. As you see, this Pokemon Go here is the hack, and this one is not the hack. Because if you don't want to, this is so. I'm gonna delete this just to do for you. Okay, go to Safari. I just need to this one. Let's go back to the website like this. You have to go apps for iPhone, and you press this one here, the three lines, and press it. As you see, you press apps and see jailbreaks app includes hack Pokemon Go. You press it and you go down, and you can have this one with Pokemon Hack, the newest. I don't want the newest, so I'll go back here. It doesn't work for me. I'm gonna do the middle one. Is the perfect one. And I say install it. Okay, that is installed. I'm gonna show you my Pokemon till it downloads. So here we go. This is when I hacked it. I got all of these Pokemon. Yeah, it's the newest version. Look at they got the footprints away. And I evolved my Magikarp to a Gyarados. Look at it. Look at this beast here. A beast. Oh no, I got my matchup and a Beedrill. This is the normal one. So okay, let's see. It's nearly downloading. I'm gonna come back when it's downloaded. Okay? Right, guys. Interested in the developer. You go to settings, and you go to journal, and go profile, and this one, and trust it. So then you press it. And you have to wait. And sometimes it gets pretty laggy. I'll leave down a description for this. If you subscribe to me, maybe I'll leave. If you subscribe, you will open my. You have to subscribe, then you will open my So you'll have to open. Then you open the website. Then you can download it. So you have to subscribe to me. That's how it works. Okay, guys. I did my email. So here we go. See now, we have a joystick. You want to spawn here? We just have to wait. If the location doesn't work, go here. Go to privacy and turn location services off and turn it on. Don't turn it off. So then we go here. If it doesn't work, you have to do like this and then go back. Because this hack is a little bit laggy. You have to wait a little bit. Here's the joystick. Look, now it works. I didn't know the GPS signal is not found. Let's try this again. So it works. You know it works because it's pretty laggy. You have to do like this every time. and leave nothing. Then you have to do it, because if you do this, it will do a lag every 4 hours. If you have, then you can do it. But I will fix it. So guys, I'm gonna see you later. This is the joystick hack Pokemon Go, and I'm gonna see you later. Bye.